If you live in Ector County, your wallet will be getting a bit of a break. You won't have to pay higher taxes. News West 9's Francisco Soto tells you why you won't see a hike.
No tax increase rate for another year.
Basically, today we set the maximum tax rate that we'll be able to adopt at 0.365 per $100 value of commercial property and residential property. That is the same rate that is currently in effect.
Greg Simmons, Commissioner for Precinct 2, says that if the tax rate is higher than the effective rate, a public hearing would be required, which this was not the case. He states that this time around, other resources were used to allocate funding.
A few years ago, the public voted for a sales tax, and so that's helping us in some of the areas as far as the road construction and improvements, things like that. So overall, the budget is actually a little higher, but the part that we're receiving from property taxes will be lower.
Today's meeting also addressed the donation given to the county by John Bushman.
He has given that money for two primary purposes, the primary being anything related to law enforcement. He's made sure that part of the use of that money needs to be dependent on the sheriff and his request.
Simmons says part of the donation will also be designated for other uses within the community.
The other half, while still being in conjunction with the sheriff, is being left up to a committee that would be the Commissioners Court as well as the sheriff. So that could be used for other things, health department, library improvements. I know the sheriff is working on a west side base for officers, so any of those things would qualify.
Simmons says more internal meetings are needed to determine what will be done with the funding. But for now, he says that the final adoption of the budget and tax rate is scheduled to be on the next meeting agenda. In Odessa for News West 9, I'm Francisco Soto.